how cool is this, right? So like I said, I just showed you the cylinder. It holds approximately 3 to 4 of these small baggies, depending on how much is in the company sends. And then these are the little Tic Tac boxes that we said could hold 2. Now what I like about this is it's good if you have a confetti piece. If you're doing something like a Dreamer Design Chuck Penson or a Diamond Art Club, Dominic, this would be great for if you have a ton of colors. One thing I did notice just a second ago is when you pull these out, you're going to want to make sure you grab below the lid because the lid can come out very easily. And when you pour, I would probably just take this and pour it out. Only because if the weight of the drills hit this as I was pouring and this came off. Now some of them are a little bit more snug than others. You just don't know, and that comes with the territory. And they also have this netting, which is gorgeous. They give you, I just bought some of these and now I have some more. They give you this beautiful big tray so you can use your kit, which is really nice. They give you, I use these for trash. They give you a small circle. They give you a regular size tray. And then these are the plastic tweezers, which aren't my favorite because they have too much give in the middle. But I can always replace those. They also give you rectangular, and they thought of circles. So they give you super small or circle or normal size for labeling. Very excited about that. One thing that would be nice here is if it had a zipper or a button, so that if you were using this stuff wouldn't fall out as easily. It could just be me though, because I don't have it full yet. And you can close it up, because I can imagine I'm flipping this open really fast, something flies out. But that's just me. All right, so you got 2 zippers, so you can open it or close it on either side. Really fabulously made. Great job, SanerDirect. So excited. So see the link down below. Go check it out. They have a percentage off right now. This would be a great gift for your Secret Santa. If you're in one of the Diamond Painting Secret Santa groups, it could be a great gift for somebody that you want to start up. Maybe get them this and then get them one of those 4-packs that I advertise and purchase for giveaways. The sky's the limit. I'm super excited. I have been drooling over getting one of these for quite some time, just waiting for the right one. And now I have this one. I'm very excited. So let's see how many cylinders you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 30 cylinders. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 5, 40. So it's a 70-piece storage kit. And then they have the foam in here to keep everything in place. So I hope you love this as much as I do. I can't wait to fill it. That's what I'm going to go do right now. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.